Hello guys. How are you? Guys, Tanzania is nice, just like Malawi. I think Tanzania and Malawi are just twins, so I just ordered food. I was very hungry, so I called the room service. And this is where your girl is staying now. In Tanzania. That's also my ear. I'm very hungry. I was very hungry. I want to know how this food tastes. It's fine. Okay, yeah. So guys, I got here in the morning in Tanzania around 7. Then I went and looked for where to bath. I got a place to bath for 500 shillings. After taking my bath, I went and acquired to find out how much it would cost me to go to Zanzibar tomorrow for my birthday. So it's 32,000 to go and 30,000 to come back. That is 62,000. 62,000, I don't know in rands, but 100,000 is 800 rand. Rand, 100,000 shillings is 800,000. Is 800 rand. Home. So tomorrow I'm going out to Zanzibar for my birthday. Yeah. This food is nice. I'm eating Ugali from Tanzania with chicken and some vegetables that are mixed with cabbage. I don't know what the stew is. The soup is, but I'm enjoying it. I also don't know what this is. Let me find out what it is. So it tastes like dried green vegetables, dried cabbage. And dried carrots. Nice. We call it mufushka in Zimbabwe. Dried vegetables, we call it mufushka. So I'm eating Ugali, which is sadza, onsima, or pap, and vegetables, and chicken, wuku, onkuku. I'm so glad that I have Wi-Fi now. I didn't have Wi-Fi yet since I checked in the morning around 11. I was still telling you how I got here. So after taking my bath for 500 shillings, I went and ate breakfast, looked for where I can get breakfast, and then I ate breakfast. My breakfast was 1,000 shillings. 1,000 shillings is about 7 rand. This is so, yeah, it's about 7 rand. I drink black tea. I don't like milk. I drink tea and sweet potato. The sweet potato was very nice, guys. I ate there at the rank where I dropped off, and then after that I called another guy whom I was referred to so that he can assist me when I'm here because he knows places. So I called him, he came and fetched me. He's the one who showed me here. So on this accommodation here, I paid 30,000 shillings. How much is 30,000 shillings? 30,000 shillings is about, I don't know, but remember I told you 800 rand is 100,000 shillings. So we're talking of about around 200 rand for this accommodation. From the time I checked in around 10 in the morning until tomorrow after 10 in the morning. So before we got here, I was also very stressed because I didn't have any cash with me. I only had $20 and 14,000 shillings. The guy we came with from the ring up to here charged us 18,000. Me, I only had 14,000. So I gave him that 40,000, and the madala who came and fetched me added his 4,000 so that I can give him later. Then I changed my $20. I got 50,000. So now it was enough to pay for the transport and to pay for the accommodation, but I didn't have any other money. So I remember that I had sent FNB an email asking them to please unblock my international transactions. Luckily, they had removed they had unblocked it. I was so happy, and thank you guys, thank you so much FNB people. You really saved me, because if you didn't open it, I was going to be stranded here, especially not knowing anyone. So thank you so much FNB Bank. So after that, now I went to the ATM, I swiped. Luckily I can get money now. So that is it for today. I'll tell you how my tomorrow will go. I'll tell you, but tomorrow is my birthday. Guys, don't forget, tomorrow is my birthday. I'm celebrating my birthday tomorrow. I'm going to be very happy. I'm not going to be thinking of anything negative. I don't want negativity around me. I'll be alone, guys. That's another thing. But I thank God I'm with you, so I won't be alone. So those who can call me and wish me a birthday, please do. Those who can whatever communication you can have with me, even through my messages, even through comments, please just wish me a happy birthday tomorrow. I'm turning 32 years of age tomorrow, guys, and I'll be alone. When I left Cape Town, it was towards my son's birthday. I also left him. Now his birthday came when he was alone. Mine is also coming when I'm alone. But yeah, it is what it is. I also bought roundnuts because I had missed it. So guys, this is the current situation. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Goodbye.